Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to locate clock and tap on it. Then click on alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Then set up an hour. Now tap on days of the week that you wish to set up and click on alarm name. Over here, label your alarm however you wish to. And scroll down. Now click on these filters next to alarm sound, vibration and snooze to disable and enable those features. After that, click on vibration and select one of those patterns by tapping on the best one for you, or select silent to disable it. Then go back and tap on snooze. Over here you can pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then go back and choose alarm sound. Now you can select, for example, Spotify or go into ringtone and choose allow. Now select one of those melodies by tapping on the best one and going back. You can also adjust the volume of your alarm by swiping left or right over here. You can also though click on alarm sound, go into ringtone, but this time tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. Now select music from your smartphone. Click on done at the top right corner as well and go back. To save your alarm, click on save. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to get rid of it, you need to hold it. Click on delete icon at the bottom and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!